Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the building permit of the modular double door in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and at this event there is a battle pass that you can get any cool rewards. One of them is building permit of modular double door like this. And to get this rewards, you need reach level 9 first like this. And to level it up, you can just collect the festival points that you can get it from the festival catalogs. They're available each week like this, and then you can get it from the collections rewards like this. And then you can also get it from the daily quest or weekly quest. And after you reach level 9 like this, you can unlock this building permit of modular double door, and it will automatically add it to your build mode, and you can just use it from there to build your house. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.